Hello everyone, my name is Namboy, and today I will represent for my team to talk about our timeline for the project and the completion date. And on top of that, I will talking about our issues we have while collaborating with each other. So week one on February 5th, 2020, we plan for the projects, and on this day we have our first meeting together, and we just kind of like discuss what kind of topic we will go with. And on week two, February 12th, 2020, this week we have the assignment called implementation for our project. So we decided which topic to do, and we assigned roles for each team members. On week three, February 19, 2020, we have a assignment called our briefing. This assignment will we have to present our briefing with a clear explanations and strong points. On week four, February 26, 2020, we have an assignment called needs assessment. This week, our group met again and talked about the assessment memo. And in this assessment memo, we answering every questions regarding to the project and is regarding to the project and also based on the feedbacks from our professor. Move on to week fifth, March 8th of 2020. This week we have a assignment called progress report presentation. Our group will appoint a leader to deliver a 45 seconds pitch elevator. And uh, for this week, we also talk about what will this assignment cover and what's the purpose of this assignment. On week six, this is I think the final week. We will try to finish our final formal proposal before April 11th. And this week, our group will write 18 to 20 5 pages, and each member have to record themselves to talk about one of the slides they picked from those 18 pages. And week 7, April 19, 2020, this is the semester performance review week, and that is the final assignment we will have this project. So the completion date for this for the final project will be on April 12th. We will try to finish it. We will try to finish it by then. And so on the other hand, I will talk about our issues having we have during the meeting. So first issue will be group think. So first meeting there's a lot of like ideas that there are a lot of great ideas that everyone wants to go with, but at the end of the day we only have one idea to pick, and we picked the solar pathway. So it's very hard to agree with everyone, but we have to be mature enough to think for the team and to move forward. And and uh, and also there are another issue that is not enough conversations. We usually showed up, and so there are some people that are very shy and don't like to talk. Uh, and and if they don't talk, they really can't express their ideas. So we don't know how to give them a roles that best fit for them. So it's very hard for the team captain and for everyone else to to just sit in the meeting and discussion.